Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I'm at Bill Thomas Campers in Wentzville, Missouri, looking at a 2022 Grand Design Reflection 28BH. I came in at sunset to get a light show. Here's the sunset and Old Glory. What a beautiful evening, cold as heck. 19 degrees outside. The sticker price on this, and they'll deal with you on it, the sticker price is $77,793. Link below for new, used, service, and parts. As we open up the pass-through storage, it got hung up on me, so I had to cut that part out. There's the power shutoff. You can see the aluminum joists, so you know you have a great subfloor. Going to be pulled up under almost any conditions as we button that up. The Vitals sleeps 8, 2 slides. The length of this RV is 34.8. Here we have the Goodyear tires. You can see the stabilizing jacks. And then we open up the outdoor kitchen area. We have a dormitory style and size refrigerator. You can see your LED lighting. And you can turn it on, off, or set it up for a sensor, a motion detector, which is very convenient. And then you also have the 2-burner cooktop and a power outlet should you need it for a blender or coffee maker or a skillet, whatever you decide to put there. Your Blackstone. Be a very nice, convenient setup there. Again, 21-foot awning. You can see the LED lighting. You can also see the speakers with the blue light inside of them. As we open up the door and step inside, there's the 28BH badging. So we have all the lights on inside. And I wanted to come in late and shoot this because I wanted to just get that effect with all the lights on and the darker windows. U-shaped dining area as we spin around and take a look at the kitchen. Rather nice size RV, almost 35 feet long, but we have the bunk house at one end and then the master bedroom or the bedroom at the other end, which is really convenient as we look out and look down Highway 70 west to the sunset. Beautiful sunset. So this is the bunk house, and we have LED lighting. You also see the motion lighting there under one of the bunks as I moved things around. You saw that light come on, that one right there. Rather large bunks. And then you have an area for your flat screen TV. I'm going to flip the light off and take another look at the sunset as we look down the highway. A great look in my opinion. So the length is 34.8. The exterior height is 12.3. Here's the interior storage in the bunkhouse. I had to flip a light on so you can see deep into there. We have drawers and then we have these cubbies. And the cubbies also function as a ladder up to the top bunk. As we step into the kitchen area, you can see how well laid out it is, how well thought out it is as well. We have a 16 cubic foot refrigerator, double door refrigerator and freezer, and again 16 cubic feet. Your tank capacities, fresh gray and black, are 74, 86, and 43. Your furnace is a 40,000 BTU furnace with a 15,000 separate 15,000 BTU air conditioning unit, double bull stainless steel sink with your swan neck faucet, and it is a spray head nozzle. Nice size oven with a 3-burner cooktop. You have 2 LP bottles, 30 pounders. Water heater type is an on-demand water heater. Microwave oven with your, I really like the windows underneath the cabinets there, so you can open that up and get a really nice and extremely nice cross ventilation in here. So you have plenty of windows for the cross ventilation, and then also to cool down if you made some hot goods, you want to cool them down. The flat screen TV is a 40-inch flat screen TV. I failed to mention that when we were looking at. There you can see your LED pathway lighting. So it is something you can set up for motion detectors. So if it's at night and you come down the hallway, the lights pop on. As we step into the bathroom, this is a radius corner shower. So the doors, it's 2 doors. They pull together and form the radius. We have medicine cabinet there above the commode. And then we have another medicine cabinet in the corner above the sink. And then we have the closet space or cabinet space for the bedroom as well as the bathroom. So it's a combo program. Queen size bed with underbed storage. There's the 15,000 BTU unit I mentioned earlier. We have task lighting or lighting on both sides of the bed. And then we have overhead lighting, more storage, and more wardrobe space here. Drawers and wardrobe space. And then we have cabinet space on both sides of the bed as well as above the bed. 50 amp service throughout this RV. So you know with 50 amp service you're going to have more capacity than you probably need. Underbed storage is the same way. More storage than you'll probably need. Great place to put your luggage when you show up for the weekend outing. Or you can put your lawn chairs and things like that. You may want to store those outside, or you may bring them inside, depending on your needs. There you can see the thermostat. As I mentioned, it's 19 degrees outside, 39 degrees inside. So during the day, it collects the heat through the windows with the sun shining, and then it holds that heat for night. And I appreciate it when it's 19 degrees outside as we spin around. Let us know what you think of this floor plan. What do you think of this light show? Also the sunset cruise that I gave you. Appreciate you watching. Any comments, I'll get back to you as quickly as I can.